It looks like they're going to continue the severe thunderstorm warning. What they've done now in this warning, the severe thunderstorm warning, Carson, is that they've added now the tag that there's a tornado possible. That would be the storm that's exiting Groveton, moving toward the Corrigan area. So mainly for San Jacinto and Polk counties. That's that storm that they updated us on. Still the threat for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and hail. But just as you talked about with the Boeing segment, it's moving right into the Livingston area. We haven't heard anything about what will happen here at 5:30 for the warning, the tornado warning. We're waiting to see. I put in a question about that, and it certainly looks like now that there could be some rotation there just south of Groveton, moving into the Polk County area.
Yeah, and moving into the Polk County area, and we look at some of these severe weather threats, Marcus, and again, very interesting here, where you do have that Boeing segment that is moving over Lake Livingston currently. The reds you see on the screen, that is the threat of some relatively high wind gust, and that means, you know, we've got a straight line wind threat, not necessarily a tornado threat, but a straight line wind threat, and unfortunately that's ongoing over Lake Livingston. So maybe you live in Trinity, you're watching our live stream coverage. If you know anybody that lives on the southern section of the lake, well, let them know right now that they've got some strong winds heading in their direction. Also, if you know somebody living in Livingston as well. So we will definitely have to watch out for that. And then, you know, that's where the Boeing segment is on this storm. Anytime where you see it kind of just bulging out there, and that's right near the Lake Livingston area and a little further off to the north and to the east, where you see this little notch on the backside of the storm. I mean, that is where we would be primarily concerned with that tornado threat, and that's just going to be off to the northeast of Groveton. But it looks like, Marcus, that they're going to be allowed to at least expire the tornado warning, but it could reform at any time.
Yeah, and that's something we have to.
Yes. KTK's live at 5.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have to keep an eye on this storm here closely. Right now, there's no plan to reissue this tornado warning. We'll certainly keep an eye on it, but it is moving down into sections of Polk and San Jacinto County. We'll keep monitoring this. Angelina County, you are not out of the woods just yet. Still a threat here for some heavy rain.